guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Unice hair. They sent me this beautiful highlighted wig, but before I jump into the video, I'm just going to be showing you guys what they sent to me inside the box. Also, I'm not home, so if the lighting is a little bit different, I promise you I'm using the same exact products. I just don't know what's happening, but yeah, maybe it goes right with theme. So this is the box that they sent to me. It says Merry Christmas, has Unice's name right there. In the box, wait, where did you open it? Yeah, so they sent me some little goodies. They sent me a Christmas card, which I didn't open it. It's probably, oh, okay, cute. So they sent me this Christmas card. This is actually so cute. Thank you for believing in Unice hair, yada 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 yada. Pretty much a Merry Christmas card. They sent me the socks. Why did I say stocking? You can, you know, sock decoration. You can put it on your door, wherever you feel like you want to put it. And they sent me, you know, the regular packages, which is, I got stockings. I have one on my head already, scarf, some lashes, and I'm already wearing extensions, which I did myself, and I think the baby hair comb that I'm using, which is a red baby hair comb. So that's what they sent me inside the box, and obviously the wig. So the wig is 24 inches, 13 by 4 highlighted wig. And I think this is 180 density, but this is how the wig is looking. Like I said, I am not home. Normally my hair would have been like straightened and like ready to go. This is my first time actually putting on a wig on my head without pre-customizing anything like that. I'm low-key excited because then I could do something new, you know. It's not always like, you know, at least I could challenge myself to do my hair without all the products because I'm currently not home, like I said. So I'm gonna go ahead, I already did my ball cap method. I'm gonna go ahead, add my foundation to the wig and kind of just get the process started. Yeah, I forgot to show you guys inside the wig, but this is how the inside of the wig is looking. It comes with the 4 combs, the straps, pretty much the norm. But yeah, this is how the inside of the wig is looking.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousand, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. Something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, I would like to thank Unice for sponsoring this video. I love the layers, and because it was highlighted, I feel like layering a highlighted wig is exactly what you should do. I loved it. This hairstyle was very much cute. Also, I was back home when I finished this video, so the outro is when I'm home, hence why the background is different. But thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.